Welcome to Edvento. Let's create your account. First, open edvento.net in your web browser. On the home page, you will see two options: Log in and Register. If you already have an account, click Log in. If you are new to Edvento, click Register. Now, choose your account type. You can register as a student or as a mentor. A mentor account is designed for teachers. Mentors can create activities, manage classes, assign tasks, and monitor student progress. A student account is designed for learners. Students can complete activities, earn badges, collect experience points, and follow their learning progress. After choosing your account type, select how you want to register. You can continue with your Google account, or you can register using your email address. If you choose Continue with Google, simply sign in with your Google account. Your selected account type will be applied automatically. If you choose to register with your email address, complete the registration form. Then, create your account. If you register as a mentor, Edvento will send a 6-digit verification code to your email address. Enter this code to activate your account. If you register as a student, no verification code is required. Once your registration is complete, you can start using Edvento immediately. That's it. Your Edvento account is now ready. Welcome aboard, and set sail for new learning horizons with Edvento.